Hi Tanu, I hope this video brings a smile to your face. हमारे family members and a lot of friends have sent in some beautiful messages which hopefully fill you up with joy and positivity. So here goes. देखो.
Hi Tanvi, hope you're doing better and you'll recover fast. I was just remembering Sonali said we were chatting and we were just remembering the Kotagiri trip in which we did some crazy stuff in the night when we drove past in the night in COVID times to go to the hospital. So I was telling Sonali we need to do something like that once Tanu gets better, right? And once we do that, we'll do that really fast and we'll come and see you guys soon. And we're gonna take a nice trip again. And this time you drive, yaar, please, है ना? But एक शर्त है, you have to make donuts, which I've not had for a very long time. Those chocolate donuts. All right, चल, take care, and we'll see you soon. लोग ऐसे समायर को चखाने तेरे donuts, है ना? And we'll do some more barbecues. खूब मस्ती करेंगे अपन, है ना? All right, take care.
Lying down in bed बहुत बुरा लगता है. I feel very depressed. We all feel very depressed at that illness. She should get well quickly and move around, and normally she did.
तन्वी, अभी तुम पैर का फ्रैक्चर होके तुम बेड पे लेटी हुई हो. मेरी विश है कि तू जल्दी से जल्दी जो है ठीक हो जा. और जो बहुत इस वक्त दुखी है, हम लोग भी तेरी हालत पर बहुत दुख मना रहे हैं, लेकिन जल्दी से तू रिकवर हो जा और जैसे पहले तू चेयरफुल थी वैसे ही हो जा. मेरी तरफ से बेस्ट विशेस और मेरी ब्लेसिंग.
Hey Tanvi, I wanted to share a story of somebody who's always inspired me all my life and the lessons I've learned from it. My grandmom, when she was very young, she had to travel with a large family. She had over 10 siblings. She had to travel all the way from Burma to Chennai, and they went by boats, they went by walk a lot of the time, they had to hike a lot of the times. And when she was very young, she got this bone and flesh eating disease, a very rare disease, and at that time medicine wasn't very advanced, so she had to do almost 8 to 10 surgeries by the time she was 14. And anyways, I'll share her book with you and you can read the story that of the life that she went through. But I want to tell you what I learned from that and how she taught me that difficult times are only temporary. She always used to say that whenever something's difficult and painful, it's either trying to teach you something and it's going to teach you that lesson and pass. And there's nothing that's permanent about pain. And she also taught me how pain is just a construct in the mind and how you can work through any sort of pain. And she was proof of that. She had her hips fused together because of the surgery. She lost so much of her flesh in her hands and her thighs, but she still managed to live a very full life. She's the one who taught me swimming in the ocean. She's the one who taught me how to hike up steep mountains, and nothing fazed her. And I feel like nothing should faze you from doing the things you want to do, and nothing will faze you. All the best, Tanvi.
Hi, Tanvi. That's very soon.
Hi Tanvi, brave girl. I know you've been through a lot, but we're very sure that you'll be up on your feet in no time. It's tough, I know, to recover from something like this, both mentally and physically, but you've got the Mathur genes in you. You'll be up on your feet. And Pranav Dada is going to get married very soon, so all the more reason you need to be ready for dancing and preparing and doing everything for it. So Tanvi, God bless you. We're very grateful that you're back at home, and I'm sure you'll be back on your feet in no time. Wish you the very best.
Hey Tanvi, hi. First off, super nice to hear that you're back home.
हाय तानू, हम और तुम 2 बॉडीज और 1 सोल हैं. तुझे जब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है तो मुझे तेरे से भी ज्यादा होती है, या तेरी जैसी होती है तो तू जानती है. हम दोनों कितना भी लड़ लें, बट वी आर द बेस्ट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स. जो भी तेरे साथ हो रहा है कोई बात नहीं. दिस विल पास. हम दोनों विल बी बैक. हम बहुत मस्ती करने वाले हैं. हम बहुत अच्छा टाइम साथ में बिताने वाले हैं. फिर मैं तेरी बहुत अच्छी शादी करूंगी. फिर तेरे बहुत प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे होंगे. हमारी एक बहुत हैप्पी लाइफ होगी. बस एक बैड फेज है, इसको बैड फेज समझ के वी ऑल विल फॉरगेट. बी हैप्पी, be cheerful, be the girl you are, my most beautiful Tanvi. Wish you a very happy life.
I hope your recovery continues at the same pace and things are only going to get better from here. One incident that comes to mind for me is my aunt faced something very similar actually, with a bus hitting her near town hall and going over her hip, and it was pretty brutal. Multiple screws and bolts and surgery surgeries and grafting and stuff that she had to go through. One thing that she used to say for what helped her get through this is that even when a body felt like it couldn't do something, she would just strongly believe that she's going to get up. From what I hear from Pranav, like, you've been a champion throughout this, and I can't wait to hear more about your recovery, and I can't wait to see you walk and run and jump and play. Hopefully see you soon, Tanvi. Take care.
Hi Tanvi. So this last month has been a little crazy for the Mathurs, especially you, but it's amazing to see how well you're dealing with this entire situation and how strong you are. ऐसी physical injury के बाद there are only two ways anyone responds. One is they let it get to them, or the second one is that they push through and come out of this a lot stronger. And seeing the way you've dealt with this entire situation, I think you will definitely come out of this a lot stronger than before. There are days where you might feel low, sad, very irritated, but remember that from this point on, it only gets better. Now it's more of a mental game than a physical game. So if there's ever a point where you're feeling helpless, just know that it is completely okay to seek professional help, like going to therapy. If that's something you ever want to explore, just talk to me, Dada or Kshitij, and we will help you out. Because the most important thing right now is to stay positive and have a positive mindset. So, play games on your phone, read, talk to your friends, and just take it one step at a time. We're all here for you. Don't rush anything. Take your time to heal, and hopefully I will see you in Monster Fitness very soon.
Hi Tanu, I hope you're feeling better. घर आके you are so strong तन्ना. मैं और अभय यही बात कर रहे थे कि सबसे छोटी है बट घर की सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग बच्ची है. so proud. You just focus on getting better. किसी चीज़ की लोड मत ले. अच्छा खाओ, अच्छा पियो, लाड़ करवाओ. तुम जल्दी से ठीक हो जाओ एंड जल्दी से जयपुर आ जाओ.
हाय तन्नू, तो मैं ये मैसेज तेरे को देना चाहता हूँ कि नाउ द रेस्ट ऑफ द रिकवरी इज इन हियर फॉर यू, राइट? द बेस्ट डॉक्टर्स हैव डन द बेस्ट वर्क. You need to focus on nutrition. You need to eat and drink things that you normally wouldn't, right? Like protein powder. Don't waste that protein powder because that will really speed up your recovery. Number 2 is sleep. Try and get as much sleep as possible. Number 3, physio with your nurse. Keep doing the physio and keep repeating your reps. Keep increasing. Cause a little pain to yourself on a daily basis. Thoda. Keep pushing. Keep breaking through so that now surprise the doctors. What they said can happen in 4 weeks, 5 weeks. Show it to them that you can do it in 2 weeks, 3 weeks. That's the strength. Last thing I would quickly like to say is I definitely think you should start journaling, right? Write down maybe like for 15-20 minutes every day how you're feeling. Maybe start from the day of the accident till now, and then maybe like in a year or 2 years time you can read it and see how far you've come, right? What you were feeling today you will not be feeling 10 days later, and definitely not be feeling that a month or 2 later. So all the best Tanu, हम तो हैं ही तेरे लिए, तेरे साथ. अच्छा खा, अच्छे मूवीज देख, बुक्स पढ़, आर्टिकल्स पढ़. बी पॉजिटिव एंड रिकवर सून.
तनु, मैं बस ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि तुम इतनी स्ट्रांग हो. जो तुमने देखा है, जो तुमने सहा है, तुम्हारी जैसी स्ट्रेंथ, ब्रेवरी, करेज मैंने कहीं नहीं देखी. तुम एक इतनी बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन हो हमारे लिए. तुम्हारा स्ट्रगल अभी जो है वो बहुत कम दिन तक रहेगा. तुम्हें बस अपनी स्ट्रेंथ और दिखानी है, और बहुत जल्द तुम सब नॉर्मल हो जाएगा. तुम नॉर्मली चलोगी, मूवीज देखोगी, खाना खाओगी, अपना पास्ता खाओगी. और मैं सबसे ज्यादा मिस ये करता हूँ कि तुम्हारे साथ, मोना चाची के साथ रात के 11-12 बजे तक तुम्हें पिकअप करना, ड्रॉप करना मैं बहुत मिस कर रहा हूँ. तो अब बहुत टाइम हो गया जो मैंने तुम्हें पिकअप और ड्रॉप नहीं किया है. तो जल्दी से ठीक हो जाओ ताकि मैं तुम्हें वापस कहीं 1-2 बजे पिकअप कर सकूँ या ड्रॉप कर सकूँ. तो जल्दी ठीक हो जाओ एंड यू विल बी एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. प्लीज डू नॉट वरी एट ऑल. ठीक है, हम सब हैं. जल्दी ठीक हो जाओ तो पार्टी करेंगे, कहीं बाहर जाएंगे. एंड टेक केयर. ओके, बाय.
तन्वी हमारी घर की सबसे छोटी बच्ची, जेंजी, हमारी ओनली जेंजी किड इन द हाउस, अक्सर स्कूटर से गिर जाती है लेकिन इस बात को कुछ ज्यादा ही सीरियसली कर लिया. तन्वी, द बेस्ट पार्ट इज यू आर सेफ नाउ एंड यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन योरसेल्फ. अब जो तुमको जल्दी से से ठीक हो जाओ, जो तुमको अच्छा लगता है तुम बढ़िया करो. आई नो यू आर इनटू सोशल कॉजेस, so you can do something in that field. तुमको जानवरों से बहुत प्यार है, और आई नो यू लाइक डांसिंग. मुझे तो तेरी वो सब याद है जो हम न्यू ईयर पार्टी में जाते हैं पंजाबी एसोसिएशन में, तू रात भर डांस करती है, जो मतलब इतना लंबा सबसे लास्ट ऑन द स्टेज. तो बढ़िया सी जल्दी से ठीक हो जाओ. ऑल द बेस्ट एंड गेट बैक टू नॉर्मल.
Hey Tanu, it's me Suraj. I've gotten way bolder than you might remember me, but I hope you really feel better soon and you will recover quickly, and I really pray that you will, and you'll bounce right back, okay? So just hang in there and hope to see you next time I come to Coimbatore and we'll visit, all right? Take care, bye.
हाय तन्नू, कैसी हो बेटा? बेटा अभी ये बहुत मुश्किल टाइम है, तुम्हें बहुत हिम्मत से काम करना है, बिल्कुल परेशान नहीं होना है. ये टाइम भी बहुत जल्दी निकल जाएगा, है ना. अभी देखो 3 वीक्स के बाद तुम्हारे ये सब निकल जाएंगे, रॉड्स वॉड्स, है ना. बिल्कुल परेशान मत होना. अभी तो तुम्हें बहुत डांस करना है, फिर से हिंदुस्तान कॉलेज में परफॉर्म करना है, अलग अलग जगहों पर परफॉर्म करना है. मम्मा बता रही थी हिंदुस्तान कॉलेज में तुम बेस्ट थी और होगी भी. तुमसे ज़्यादा अच्छा तो वैसे भी कोई नहीं हो सकता. इतने दिनों से तुम प्रैक्टिस कर रही हो, है ना. अब फिर से प्रैक्टिस शुरू करनी है बहुत जल्दी, है ना. मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा इंस्पिरेशन हो तुम. कल मैं भी बहुत डिप्रेस हो रही थी, बहुत परेशान हो रही थी अपनी चोट की वजह से, पर मैंने सोचा मैं इतनी सी चोट से इतनी परेशान हो रही हूँ, पर हमारी तन्नू देखो कितनी बहादुर है, इतनी बड़ी चोट के बाद भी बिल्कुल परेशान नहीं हो रही. तो तुम्हें ऐसी हिम्मत बना कर रखनी है और खूब आगे बढ़ना है ना. अब जल्दी से ठीक हो जाओगी, बहुत हिम्मत रखो. बाय बेटा.
Hey fighter, from everything I've heard about how you've dealt with this last 1 month of just ordeal, it's been how tremendous and how brave you've been through everything. I have no doubt that you will continue to blaze through your recovery with the same spirit. I had a small ligament tear back in 2017. I'm still dealing with it, and if there's one piece of advice or takeaway that I can take from this is that I tend to go a little lax on my injury, and I tend to overexert, and I'm constantly reminded that I need to take it slow, I need to be disciplined, I need to do my physio, which reminds me I still need to do my physio for today, but that's the way to go. So just stick with it and it's only going to get better from here.
hey तन्ना, देख जब तेरा एक्सीडेंट हुआ था ना तो बड़ा गड़बड़ था उस टाइम पे, है ना. लेकिन एक बात है तन्ना, द डॉक्टर्स डिड ब्रिलियंट वर्क, दे हैव डन वंडर्स, है ना, एंड दे हैव सेट राइट योर फुट मसल, जो भी है सब कर. अब जो है पुलिंग तुम्हें यू हैव टू इंश्योर. उसके लिए क्या जरूरत है? to have an absolutely positive frame of mind, क्योंकि people have willed themselves to heal themselves. all right, तो तुम्हें जो भी है, जो डॉक्टर्स का करना था वो ठीक है. अब तुम्हें करने के लिए you have to be in good mood, you have to will your muscle. ये सोचना होगा, you know, that muscle has to grow, it has to grow, I have to get back. ये तुम्हें determination. अब it's a little long haul, थोड़ा पेन होगा, वो सब it's all part of the game now. इसमें आ गई हो तो you have to go. all right.
Hey Tanvi, just a little message better for you. Tell you how much you're loved. We're all thinking of you and sending you the biggest hugs your way. Take your time and keep shining. You've got this. Lots of love, beta.
Hey Tanvi, this is Nandu. First up, I just want to say the terrible thing has happened. There's no other way of looking at it. But I can tell you this, you will get over it. You have a great support system around you. You have your family, your friends. You will recover. You will get through all of this through resilience and through a lot of work. And of course, also with a lot of luck. And for that reason, I'm sitting here at home in Germany. Apparently, pigs bring a lot of luck. So I got myself all the pigs we have at home, and I'm sitting here with them and reaching out to you and wishing you all the luck in the world. You're gonna have a wonderful, wonderful life. I wish you all the very best and a speedy recovery. Cheers.
हेलो बेटा, तो जल्दी से ठीक हो जा. घर में कोई खाली खाली लगता है, कोई बात नहीं. तो वहाँ पे रिकवर कर रही है, बहुत अच्छा लगा और बहुत मज़ा आया देख के. यहाँ पे तो घर आ गई वापस. अब मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ कि जल्दी से ठीक हो और अपना जिम का सेशन शुरू कर. बहुत दिन हो गए तुझे उस यूनिफॉर्म में देखे हुए. फिर हम लोग और ज़रा अच्छी ठीक हो जाए तो फिर मैं तुम्हें लेके चलूँगा सिरवानी. वहाँ पे वाटरफॉल है, वहाँ पे खूब बढ़िया नहाने की जगह है, वहाँ चलेंगे.